Hey guys, I wanted to show you one of the best sellers in the internet right now, and we just got it in. Stock for Less has it. It has been selling like crazy already. It is the Weego Jump Starter Battery. Right here, this is the box, and this is how it looks like, and this is how it works. This is it. This is the Weego Jump Starter Battery. How do you use it? You can either use it with a USB that you just plug in right there. You can charge all your iPads, your tablets, your iPhone with it. So that's one version. Or you can literally jumpstart your car by plugging in this end right here. And as you guys know, those two, they will go into your car to jumpstart it. Now, how do you charge it? It comes with a cable, very simple like this, goes into the wall on this part. And here you could just plug it in and charge it. Or if you ever want to charge it in your car like this, whenever you leave, you're ready to go. This is for the car, and this part here just goes straight in there. It is super small, not heavy at all, fits in your pocket. You can charge anything you need, or as I said, you can literally jumpstart your car.